Hello everyone. Here is a geometry problem that looks simple at first, but has a nice twist. Before we start, take a moment to study this figure and see if you can find the length of x on your own. In this quadrilateral, AB and BC have the same length. AD is 8 and DC is 4. First, we label the length of AB and BC by y. To find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon like this, we use the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees. N is the number of sides. So in this quadrilateral, n is 4. That's why the sum of interior angles is 360. Angles D and B are right angles, each measuring 90 degrees. Therefore, their sum is 180, which means the sum of angles A and C must also be 180 degrees. If we label angle C as alpha, then angle A must be 180 minus alpha. Now we extend segment DC by 8 units to point E. If angle DCB is alpha, then angle ECB is 180 minus alpha, since they are supplementary angles. Now we draw the segment BE and we label its length as x. The length BE is labeled x because it lies opposite the angle 180 minus alpha. Because the length of CE is equal to AD and CB is equal to AB. Also, these two angles are the same. That's why the length BE is the same as the length of BD, which is x. If we label the angle opposite the side of length 8 as beta, the angle opposite the other side with length 8 also has to be beta. We show this angle, which is opposite the side of length 4, as theta. Then theta plus beta is 90 degrees, as we have shown it here by a right angle. This means the angle between BD and BE is also 90 degrees. In other words, we have formed a right triangle whose hypotenuse DE has length 4 plus 8 or 12 units. Now let's apply Pythagorean theorem to the green triangle. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So the sum of the squares of the two sides is x squared plus x squared, that is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, which is 12 units. This simplifies to 2x squared equals 144. Dividing both sides by 2 gives x squared equals 72. Taking the square root of both sides gives us x as a square root of 72. If we simplify the right side by writing 72 as 36 times 2, the length of x becomes 6 times a square root of 2. And that's the length of x. If you enjoyed this geometric challenge, feel free to like the video, share your approach in the comments, and subscribe for more math and physics problem-solving videos. Thanks for watching.